Hi, myself Ketan Thakur, and I'm doing my internship on web development in Spark Foundations, guided by Professor Monali ma'am. So my internship is about this is the successful selection as an intern in the Spark Foundation for web development and designing. So this Spark Foundation is a brand new education non-profit trying to sell students hope for successful future. So it's a non-stipend internship. So it's a new brand started by and co-founded by people who believe that every student should have a chance at greatness. So in this internship, you get to learn about the basic foundations. You get to learn to clear the basic foundations, and they also have created multiple programs to help students reach their maximum potential. The first program that was successfully put into play for the reward internship was that GRIP Foundation, that is graduate rotational internship program, or you can say GRIP. So this internship is about 3 months for students. So it is completely based on the online. It's a part-time internship for students. So this is the website sparkfoundation.org. So their main mission is their main mission is to inspire students, help them innovate, and let them integrate to build the next generation of humankind. Inspire means to inspire, motivate, encourage students to learn, create, and help build a better society. Innovate means to create new ideas to solve the problems on their own. This is a new way of teaching of thinking. And integrate is to let us students know, integrate and help each other for learn from each other and do well together. So this is the GREEP. So it's offers a wide range of internship ranging from data science to human resource, web development to content development. The task can be taken at the convenience of the student's timeline. The foundation also organizes other programs like student scholarship program, mentorship programs, and corporate programs. So it also conducts workshop from time to time, such as resume writing, career choices, and the links webinar, etc. So mine is the web development task. What is the task? To create a simple dynamic website which has following specification like dummy data and database for up to 10 customers. The database option can be MySQL, Mongo, Postgres, etc. I have used the MySQL. The customer table will have basic fields such as name, email, current balance, etc. Transfer table will record all the transfer happened currently. So the full flow will be like home page. Then you can view all customers. Then select and view one customer. Then transfer money. Select customer or type the name of the customer to transfer the money. Then view all the customers. So this is how the website should work. So there is no login creation or user credential is needed in this. Only transfer of money between the multiple users. So you can host the website at 00 web host, GitHub, i.u or Heroku app, or any other free hosting providers. So I have hosted the website in GitHub. So front end I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, and for backend PHP, and the database I've used MySQL. So the DFD is 0 level, so there is no the the user is already created in the database, and there is a making transaction and the transaction history is there. Yeah, this is a flow chart how does it go. Home page, then view all customers, then select and view one customer, then transfer money, then click on transfer money, then select a customer to transfer you want to transfer, then go to transaction history to check whether the transaction is successful or not. Then customer has received the amount, you can see in the transaction history. Then go to view all customers, you can check whether the amount has been deducted or not. So this is the front page of the TSF bank, the dummy website. The second one, which is about the customer page. Here you can see all the 10 customers are there and their bank balance. So you can click on the send money. You can in between the 10 customers you can take any of the name and type the amount and click send money. So this is how the page says this successful transaction goes to this hemant@gmail.com. Here you can check the transaction history, whatever transaction you have done. So it can show you the email ID plus your date, time, and yeah. So what is the pros and cons of the is internship, this TSF bank? It saves times. It's no geographical boundaries. It's convenient. It's 24 into 7 availability. You can open anytime. The record of transaction is there in a transaction. Cons is there. You can attacks through SQL injection, cyber attacks, and fraud, or internet connection. Maybe if you don't have a good internet connection, you cannot open that website. So my conclusion is the banking system have been found with us for long as people have using this money. Other financial institutions provide security for individuals, businesses, and government. So they are quite more important for the economy or well in such economic activities as issuing money, setting payments, credit intermediations, maturity transformation, and money creation in the form of fraction reserve banking. However, the other financial banking includes saving, loans, credit unions, investments, and merchant banks, etc., etc. So I have just made one website where you can see the only dummy website. You can see the transfer of money between the multiple uh, users already been created. So this is fast foundations. The internship positions are there like web development. It generally depends upon your interest, whether you're interested in web development or mobile app development, or data science and business analytics, or content development, or can say digital marketing. There are many kind of things. So they learn, network, grow. The additional perks you get is completion certificate, workshop guidance, network opportunity, like a letter of recommendations. So this is the banner of the Spark Foundation. You can join us and be part of talks, workshops, and seminars, influencing students. Yeah. So what is the pros and cons of this company? Pros is this is super company for interns and field of data science, or you can say in any kind of IT field or non-technical or technical. So it's a good opportunity for students and the new beginners who have just learned, we can say, new stack developer. It's also good environment and work cultures. Cons is like you don't get any kind of stipend for this internship, but they do provide a internship certificate after 1 month. So it's an unpaid internship and lack of support. This is the reference, and thank you for my presentation, for watching my presentation. In the next slide, I will show you my website, dummy website which I've made. So this is my dummy website which I've made. This is my name, made by Ketan Thakur. You can contact me at GitHub or LinkedIn. So if you click on the GitHub, so here goes my GitHub page, and on LinkedIn, here goes my LinkedIn. Yeah, this is my profile. You can see. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the home button and this is the customer page. As you can see, they can send all money from the net bank balance is 11 crore 6 lakh 55,000. So you can send anyone someone's username like in between this 10 users. Like if I say Manu, M-A-N-N-U, Manu, and if enter the amount some like 50 to 1000, so it will deduct from my net balance. And here you can say it says the successful transaction. Okay, so you can see here over the transaction history. Okay, I will do one more. So let's say one, and let's say 4,000. Type any number, send money. Bill starting send. You can see the money has been deducted from the net bank balance and it's going minus, decreasing. And I've sent to the Suman. You can see the transaction bank balance is being increased. As you see the transaction history, it shows the current time, date, time, and the email ID and the ID and the amount which I've sent. Yeah, if I click on the home page, it will get to the home page. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.